All right, welcome. I have a DFAM here connected to a new thing that I bought. I wanted to showcase some of its functionality. It's called the MAFD, the MIDI Adapter for DFAM. It's by a company named Sonoclast. I don't know much about them other than that this is a really awesome bit of kit. Really well laid out. It's a skinny little guy, just a little 2 HP, I believe. And connection is super simple. They've got everything labeled, so velocity to velocity and advanced clock to advanced clock. The patch I've got loaded up here is the kind of that kick snare template that shipped with the DFAM on like this cardboard overlay, and so I've got that kind of loaded up here. The way this works is that I've got a Novation SL MK2, MK3, one of my favorite MIDI controllers, and we set up the advance here to the very first step, and what'll happen is as I hit keys on my Novation, it maps to these 8 steps here, so I can play each step. Oh, made me a liar. This has to be on run stop, has to be engaged, and then it should respond. You can see it jumps right to the step. So that kind of kick is on step 1. Step 4 has that noise snare. And then we can just kind of play it. Which is really cool. Of course, because we're connected to a sequencer, I've programmed a kind of a really quick beat. We can just hit play on that. We can jump around to different patterns. Make like a pseudo little fill there. Anyways, that's it. Just a really quick video. I wanted to showcase this little guy. I think I paid like $120 US for it. In my opinion, well worth it. Kind of, in my also opinion, it probably should have been part of the functionality of the DFAM, although I fully get imposing the limitation of the 8-step sequencer, to kind of like draw out some creativity. And I've, even before having this MAFD, I've absolutely loved my DFAM, and now it's like even more of a reason to kind of play with it. So hope you enjoy. Thanks.